This software simulates the operation, so we cannot forget to connect the power supply to the component. First, we design the power circuit. We place the power supply, 3-phase networks, the protection, contactor, and finally the motor. 3-phase. By double-clicking on a component is accessed at the option that can be modified. Next, for the control circuit, a voltage line is required. We place the necessary components and name them according to the defined numeric. Once we have the components, we will grab the circuit. Lines in red, neutral in blue, and protection in green. Here we have the different types of wires. For the 3-phase network, choose the option of the 3 red lines. Click on the first phase and drag to the next component. We'll repeat this process with all the lines. Now the wire of protection and the motor. We have the power circuit. Now is the turn of the switching circuit. First the line, and after the neutral wire. Finally, we activate the simulation with the play icon. Press the start button to start the motor. The contactors are activated and the motor starts to rotate. Movement, signaling, and run indicator lights. Press the stop button and stop the movement. To save, the cat extension is entered manually after the name of our file. We already know the software and how the circuits are designed. Now we are going to modify the project one, and we can choose the direction of the motor rotation, to the right or to the left, reversing the rotation of the motor. We have added some components, such as the thermal relay or another contactor to choose the rotation of the motor. Press the first button to start the rotation of the motor to the right. Connector 1 is activated and the motor starts to rotate to the left, to the right, with the first indicator light. With the button of stop, the movement has finished, indicated by the lights. Finally, with the second button, the motor starts to turn left, with the second indicator light. The last shim of this post consists of a star delta start. For asynchronous motors with a power output of less than 1 kW, a direct start is used. If this power is excessive, other methods are used to reduce the voltage during the transient, by reducing the starting current. electronic starter and start delta starting for delta connected motors. In this scheme, we have two auxiliary contactors to the main motor contactor are required. One for the start with common point and one for delta start. When the start is initiated, a timer is activated. When the time expires, the delta start is switched, thus achieving a lower starting consumption. These closest contactors are incorporated in the coil branch, on the opposite branch, to avoid activating both contacts at the same time and causing a system failure.